Hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to another vlog. So today's plan is that we are going to Asheville mountains. So this is a very beautiful mountains in the south region. So it's nearby North Carolina. So there are two very famous mountains here. One is Asheville and one more is Smoky Hills. So we thought of going for the both, but one of my friend has a flight tomorrow, so we are unable to make it tomorrow. So we are only making one place, that is Asheville, and I'm only having one day to explore the place. In the pictures, the place looks so beautiful, and I like mountains, so I'm giving it a try. So guys, we came like 150 miles, more 90 miles to go. So we stopped over for a coffee break because my legs were paining, so we stopped here. So from here itself, I can see the beautiful mountains. It's a refreshing road trip. I'm liking the way here. There are a lot of trees and we are going between the trees. So got myself a coffee, guys. So the name of this coffee is called as hot chocolate caramel. You should try this, guys. It's very beautiful. I recently got introduced to this one. This one is very good, so give it a try. So guys, we have finally reached our first destination. As you can see, the beautiful mountains behind me. So we are reaching on the top there. So within 20 miles we'll get more clear view. So guys, we have reached the top point, and we are at the final point. After this there is no road, so we have been stopping in beautiful spots like this all over the place, like 3-4 spots. You can see it in the video by the time now. So now I'm going inside to explore the place and take some good pictures. This place is very beautiful, guys. It has got a lot of greenery and it's so calm. It's not that touristic, which I'm very much happy about. And there is a camping areas and people are cooking some food, and everything is happening in a chill way here. So guys, I have found one more spot. We came 5 miles down the mountain, and you can see the view behind me is very fascinating. You got a 360 pan view over here, and there are no trees which are blocking the view. Probably there are 2 to 3 trees. I'm very much happy seeing this view and breathing this fresh air, guys, because it has been like 2.5 months I haven't been in the nature, because all the way I was traveling in the cities, so I got a bit of bored. But now I'm really feeling happy and relaxed, because I like mountains so much, especially the curves over here and the silence and the refreshing air. I have been missing it, but finally we made it. I think this is the last trip of mine in USA, and within a 4 or 5 days we are moving back to India. By breathing this fresh air, I feel like talking to you more and share some more stuff personally. So overall, it has been a wonderful journey throughout USA. It's a beautiful experience. This time it was not that properly planned because I was not expecting that I'm going to travel this much. But next time we'll make sure that things are very organized and we'll go explore more deeper. Maybe by next time I'll also figure out a car or something like that. So that's it, guys. So hope you have enjoyed the video, and I tried my level best to capture the beauty of this place too. So that's it, guys. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Take care. Bye bye. Keep moving.